Hi, I want to put together a quick video of how to put SimplyHold. So once you get the box, you're going to have four things. You're going to have a plastic plate, a strap, the gooseneck, and the screen holder with the screw on it. So the way I like to do it is first put the plastic plate into the strap. And before tightening it, this is where I like to just take the gooseneck and screw it into the plate. And once you feel it tight, you could slide this plate in and tighten it. And don't forget, the strap, you could fully adjust it to your desired length once you put it on. And then finally, you just got to put the screen holder on. So you can take the screw out and put it down here. Take the screen holder and you'll hear that clicking, that click that locks it in. And you just tighten the screw. And that's that. And you got a fully functioning 360 screen. And within less than 30 seconds, you've fully installed SimplyHold. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.